What up, everyone? Here at the Holiday Inn Express in Tijuana, enjoying the jacuzzi. It's kind of like a cool gazebo type jacuzzi. Mineral water, so it's really cool. Thermal water, I'm sorry. But it's really cool, really relaxing, refreshing. I'll give you a quick tour of the pool and hope you enjoy. Alright, just want to give my quick final thoughts on Holiday Inn Zona Rio in Tijuana. First of all, thanks for watching this video so far. And basically, it's a really nice hotel. It's in a good area. They have plenty of parking. They have a 1 p.m. check-out time, which is a little bit later than a lot of other hotels in Tijuana. So I thought that was really cool. It's a very clean hotel, really comfy beds. Everything was working properly. I got like an upgraded room where the shower was brand new, so it was actually a really nice room. I really enjoyed it. The pool area was really nice. They have a jacuzzi that's like enclosed in a gazebo, so I really thought that was really cool. And it's with like mineral water or thermal water, so it's actually a really nice jacuzzi. The pool's a little small, but it's very clean and it's really, honestly, it has everything you need. So the food was really good on the breakfast in the morning. So overall, I'd actually really recommend this hotel. It's probably the most comfortable one I've stayed in for the price that I paid. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to build this channel up so I can do more adventures for you all. Overall, please stay safe, and I appreciate y'all.